Hello everybody, I am Kovleen from Satpal Mittal School, and today I'm going to show how to create a website on your favorite author or leader. For that, first we will go to sites.google.com and click on new Google Sites. After clicking on it, we will click on this plus sign to create a new Google site. Now once it opened, this is our header where the title of the site would go. So we can either change the header type by moving it to large banner, or title only. So here I'll be using banner. Now I can change the theme by clicking on this right hand corner themes and simple, or I can even change the color scheme depending upon this, or I can even add an image as my background for my banner. So I'll just let's insert this pic as my background. Now here is where the title. My favorite author is Paulo Coelho. So I'll just write his name here, and then I'll change the format of this title. I can change it into title, heading, or subheading because this is the title of my website. So I'll click on this, and then I can choose a theme for the same from Aristotle, diplomat, vision, level, impression. I'll choose diplomat here, and I can also choose the font style. I'll take heavy here, and you can also change the color scheme. Now this color scheme goes with my background image, so I will select this. So you can also select the color scheme from here and any of the theme which is shown here. All right. Now the next thing that I need to do is I need to insert. So I'll go to insert an image of the author. So I'll click on images and then click on search and then write the name of the author here and search for it. Now once I get all the images of the author, I can select one image which is to be included and then select. I can resize the image the way I want. I can increase the size. Next is we need to add some information about the author. I have already created a website, so I'll just take the information about the author from here to save time. We can get this information from internet. For that, I'll have to incorporate a text box here, then paste the information, and I can move this text box next to the picture or wherever I want. As you can see, it has gone next to the picture. Now I can change the formatting of this box by changing the headings and all. Now this is I have taken as heading, rest is the normal text, and I can also align it accordingly. I'll do justify. I'll select and I'll do click on justify. Right, you can also add bullets and all. Now for the background, I'll click on this section background and then add a background out of these. I can also add an image, so I'll add a background with emphasis too. So that's how the first page about the author is added. So the next is I have to add a page wherein I have to add pictures related to the author. So I'll add a page and I'll give it the name gallery and click on done. So you can see another page has been added into my website with the name gallery and the same theme that we had used for the home page. So I can change the theme, the background, the image, the color scheme if I want, or let it be the same. I can change it using these, but I'll go with the same one. Now I need to insert images. So I'll click on insert and then images, and then I'll click on search the web. So I'll write the name of the author whose images are to be inserted and then click on search. I'll take the quotes written by Paulo. I'll select them as many pictures I want to insert and then click on select. You can see all the pictures have been added into this page. So this page becomes my gallery page. Now each section where the picture has been added, I can give it a background. Like here I give it emphasis 2. To the next section, I can give as emphasis 1 depending upon my choice. I can even add an image as a background. So I'll click on section background and click on image, select image or upload, select an image and then insert. I can even delete one section. If I delete one section, only that section would be deleted, not the whole photographs. Like I'll go to that section, select it, and then click on this delete section. So that section gets deleted. So that's how images are added into your site pages. All right. Now I need to create another page. So I'll click on pages, add page, and add some videos related to the author. So I'll give it the name video gallery. Then click on done. So my new page has been created. And for that, for adding videos, I'll go to YouTube, write the name of the author, Paulo, click. So I'll get the videos. I'll select one video. I'll copy the URL and then come back to my site, click on insert, click on embed, paste the URL and then insert. You can see the video has been inserted into the page. I can place the video wherever I like. I'll go for the center alignment and then I'll give this a section background. So emphasis 2. I can add another video again by going to YouTube, selecting another video related to the author. Or I like I select this. It's about is a story. The book written by the author, The Alchemist. So I'll again copy, go to my site, again click on embed. Alright, before embedding that URL, the first video that I had inserted, I'll click on text box just to write some information about the video. Like I'll write 10 rules of follow. I can format the text by changing it into bold and changing the alignment and then moving the text box next to the picture, next to the video. There it goes. Now I can again embed another video by clicking on embed and then pasting the URL that I had selected and then insert. So here comes the video. I can again align it, add, and write the text insights on the alchemist. Then I can again select, make it bold, center align it, and then shift the text box next to the video and again give it a background. So that's how videos are added into the site pages. Alright, the next task is again to add a page wherein the books, information about the books written by that author is to be added in the form of a Google Doc. So I'll insert a page by the name of books, as you can see, and then what I need to insert is I need to create a Google Doc and then insert it. I've already got a Google Doc on Paulo and his books, so I'll click on Docs, then click on Works of Paulo and insert. Click on my document and insert. You can see my Google Doc has been inserted into it. Again, I can give it a section background, and this is the document that I've added. Just to see the document, we can click on this open in new tab so that the document opens into a new tab and you can read it properly. So as you can see, my document is getting loaded. Here it opens, it works on Paulo. So you can read it separately as a Google Doc as well. So that's how a Google Doc is added into your site. Alright, the next thing you need to do is to add your contact information. I'll go to pages, I'll click on insert page and I will write contact and done. For adding my contact, I'll insert a text box. I have already added contact into my previous site. So I will just copy my information from here to save time and add it here. I can center align it, again give section background, and then I need to insert my map, location map. So I'll enter the location. I'll enter the location as my school name, St. Paul Middle School, and then click on select. So a map gets added. I can resize it as I wish. So here the map is added. I can give it a section background, and that's how my contact information and location is added into the site. Now I can add editors by clicking on add editors and giving the editing rights to my contacts. So I can just enter the email ID and click on send. So that's how editing rights are given, and then click on done for the website to other people as well. All right. Now I can preview my site. I can see how my site looks by clicking on this preview. So it will give me a preview of my site. I can click on the different pages, home. So that's how my home page looks like about the author, Colo. Then clicking on gallery. So these are the different pages that you can click. All right. Now if you can see this, this is actually different format. Now this is your phone preview. That's how your website would look when you see it using a phone. This is your tablet or preview. That's how it would look when you look it through your tablets. And this is your desktop view. All right. Now once previewing your website, you can give it a title. Like I'll write my favorite author. And then this is where you click and you publish the website, and it goes public. So that's how you publish the website, and this is how the website is created. So that's the website we have created. So hopefully all of you like the presentation and now have learned how to create your own Google site. So thank you and see you till the next video.